Gonna test out the camera with all the lights on. Starting with the closet light, there's Ace Hardware bulb. Since several hours ago we have a, you want to call it halogen, you have a fluorescent bulb here. Philips mini twister. There's some unknown GE in here. And another GE bulb right here, made in China. 750 lumens. This one's different. Really noisy zoom now. Not sure why. See how it's dark like that? Now it's less dark. I'm going to blow out the Dell Dimension 8400. Then we're going to run it into the ground. Going to hook the TV transmitter up to that and run it 24/7. I'll have to go look at the original video I did on this when we checked the smart data, the hard drive. It's got a lot of hours on it. I'm going to use a set more, but I'm still asking around for TVs. Only the older ones though. Got my 95 Magnavox. Pause it at best. Toshiba that has S-Video at best. Yes, I like junk TVs. I mean, they're good, but you know, I'm not much of a gamer. I've had TVs with a component. They were pretty good. Looking for more TVs like this. This looks great through the viewfinder. Here's a bunch of junk. Holy crap, it's a GPX. I need to make a modern video on that. I have a really crappy video on that. We were right here. Still had the Sony stereo. Crappy video. Surprised I didn't get any copyright issues. Okay, I'm back. I had a sneeze. Anyway, 52-4, subchannel 4, channel 52. Was retro TV. Now it's some Asian multilingual thing. Don't know why. And 52.2 is still gone. Which was the Heartland channel, if you didn't know about that. And done a few videos on it. And I don't know what's going to be on that one yet. It's still nothing. Still blank. Fucking moth. Turn the box on. You see it on camera? Yes. Shut the hell up, please.
Stephen E. at the library.
Wait, you think I could cheat on DJ?
I can't believe you violated our privacy. You know, you're like
Full House is on.
No, hey, DJ, I mean, don't overreact here. I mean, it's not like they stole it.
Energetic.
Other seated exercisers produce harsh, jarring...
Shut up. Here it is. Used to be retro TV. It's crossing now. Boring.
The lack of people.
This is where Heartland used to be. So yeah, I don't know what they're going to put on here. But it's not going to be anything good. And before this went away, there was a bad distortion problem. The audio of that channel was distorted. Still shows the info of what's supposed to be on. Oh, that thing's working now. It's at 100% for every channel. So yeah, I only watch the old country music stuff because that's all I give a crap about on this channel. Oh, you can see the phosphor defect. Pretty cool. So yeah, I don't know what they're going to put here, but it's going to suck just like the other channel. It's 480i, by the way. The only one on KFWD that's 720 is this one.
Great guys, because the price of chains that are out there.
720p on a CRT. It looks great. 480i is good too, but 1080 is too much.
What is it called when there's bronze underneath?
Go to comment. It's KFW, not that. It's KTXD.
To say joint food changed my life. I'm 71 and I drive a school bus. I love
See the red and blue horizontal
but
lines?
when my ankle and hip would act
Resolution is
up,
too high for the tube.
got tough.
This only has 250 lines of horizontal
Real
resolution.
passion, though, is working with
It's not
stained
that bad
glass.
on here
I've been
yet.
doing it for nearly 40 years.
I mean,
It
it's a
takes
commercial.
steady hands, patience, and if your fingers are stiff and achy, you just can't do it.
Concerns to families with
The
kids.
jail
just like
bars.
Leaders to bring the gospel into
Got jail
unreached people
bars.
groups in the Horn of
This is
Africa.
720p.
But my question to you today is, what is the Lord calling you to do? Where is he calling you to go? Who is he calling you to empower?
Esperanza puede ayudar a
See, farmer urges Viennes to back
los
All day long.
Oh, I've been spoiled.
Right? You get spoiled. How does it feel?
So we've gone off topic. Anyway, let's end this video. Now for a bit of madness. We're gonna install 2 of these in Acme movie light. We're gonna focus or be stupid. Come on, you fuck. Focus. Okay. Now we're in focus. Damn. Pretty bright. Can't do that with the phone. Well, you can, but it'd be kind of jerky. Yeah, we got good lighting. Of course, the TV's in the way, but this isn't meant to light up the whole room. But damn, it's bright. Well, the zoom was kind of hesitant. Like I said, I'm not going to buy a new camcorder till this one dies. The only Montgomery Ward ceiling fan in the house. The rest are tats. This one's an Evergo. Evergo. It's the OEM. This one does not have the reverse switch. Makes me think it's a cheaper model or an older one. That is not original. Neither is the fitter. Why don't I use this? Well, the socket in here disappeared. The metal part the bulb screws into is non-existent. Well, it's like the one in the kitchen where there's a pull chain revision when there's not one originally. I'm thinking about taking that off. Anyway, now let's just put this part at the end as a bonus for anyone who watched the whole video.